Hi.
And are you ready?
Open.
I got your surprise. Hi, look. Right here. I got this for you.
What is it?
It's your new kitchen.
You didn't give me a pan.
Yeah, there's pans. I got pans too.
Yes, you did. Where are they?
They're all in here.
Are you excited?
I gotta help you open it.
There's spoons too.
Yeah, there's spoons. There's all kinds of stuff in there.
Plates.
Yeah, it's all in there. There you go. Are you excited?
Pan.
Yep.
I go right here. I go right here.
See, look. There's a microwave. That's your microwave.
Yeah.
And here's your dishwasher down here.
Yeah. Where's the stove?
Right here
The oven.
is your stove. And then there's a refrigerator over here.
That would be Josh's butt. Y'all just witnessed.
And again.
You love
Aw.
it? You do? I bought this for you.
What is this?
It's a strainer. It's a pasta strainer.
Mom's gonna be able to help you
For
with that
colander.
information much more than I am.
Yeah.
Or Uncle Tim will too.
What is
He's a
this?
chef.
What is this?
Baking pan.
Mm-hmm.
Are you excited?
Yeah.
All right. Can you say thank you to somebody who bought it and put it together?
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Why don't you go give them a hug or something? It's the first time.
Hug time.
Tell her to.
Yay!
Yay!
I'm so happy to see you.
What is this?
It's a measuring cup.
What is this?
It's a lid for the pan.
For your
For,
baking
for
pan.
the baking pan.
For your baking pan. Where'd you put it? Did you put it in the oven?
I closed it.
Yeah. It's for that pan.
I'm so glad it came with dishes now.
Right. See, I did not expect her to ask for that immediately.
Well,
What is
Where's
this?
the pans?
that is a muffin tin
What it's for?
to bake muffins.
Or cupcakes.
Sure.
In my world.
What is this?
Plates, 2 of them. They're stuck together, I think.
Spoon.
Yup.
And what is this?
Cups.
Like drinking cups.
Yep. Other pan. What is this?
It's a pan.
What is? These are spoons. This is a spoon.
And a spatula.
Dylilah.
Thank you.
Oh, you're so sweet. Aw.
Do you love it?
Yeah.
I'm glad you do.
That's all he gets is a yeah. With your accent.
She's playing.
Where does this go to?
It goes to that pan.
This one? Or,
Yeah,
wait.
probably that one. It probably fits on
Maybe.
both,
Let me see.
actually.
It's
Probably.
upside down.
I think they're the same size.
There we go.
I'm gonna put it in the oven so I can cook.
Okay.
All right, I'm gonna stop filming now.
Oh crap, me too. That was